In this video, I'll show you how to switch to AAA digital membership. And if you're new to AAA, we'll include our referral link in the description below so you can sign up and start enjoying member benefits right away. To start, open the website, acg.aaa.com. Then click on Sign In. Next, on the fields provided, enter your user ID and password. Then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the left side of the screen. Click on the tab that says Manage AAA Membership. A drop-down list will then appear. Click on Switch to a digital membership. On this tab, scroll down a little. Then click on Switch to digital membership. Before you could enroll, you will be asked to add, change or confirm the information listed below. If everything looks good, click on Continue. That's how you switch to AAA digital membership. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.